All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have a treat for you today. You're going to learn how to create the Spartan fold utilizing 2 pocket squares here, but it's only made possible with our patented product, the best pocket square holder. This is gonna be the magic in the whole situation. So I'm gonna set this to the side for now. So here we go. 2 pocket squares, any size, it doesn't matter. In this particular case, these are 11 by 11 inches in size. So here's how we're gonna do it. Remember I showed you before a fold that was called the presidential fold, where we take a pocket square, we fold it in half 4 times. So that's 1, that's 2, all right, that's 3, and we go over the top is 4. Okay, so that's what we got here. I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna set that to the side. I'll come back to that in a second. Now we go with pocket square number 2. Now with this one, we're gonna fold it in half 4 times going the same direction. So that's 1, that's 2, okay. Actually, let's just do 3. We'll do 3 and 3. So it's just a stripe, okay? So I'll hang on to this stripe. I'm gonna keep this here for now. Now I bring the other one back into the fold. Now check this out. We take this little stripe and we take this stripe right across the top of this. Just hold it all together. Boom, look at that, okay? This has got a stripe, Spartan, right? Like Leonidas' helmet. So we'll hang on to this. Best pocket square holder, squeeze. We tuck this excess pocket square into the bottom. Now check out what we got here. All right, so now once it's in there, we can manipulate it how we want. So let's get it nice and straight across the top. Let's pull it across the edges. Let's get our stripe right in the middle. All right, until we got it, until we're satisfied. The best pocket square holder flattens it out so it keeps it from being bulky. There it is. It's called the Spartan. Now, keep in mind, before we put this in the pocket, consider it needs to rest along the inside bottom of your jacket pocket so it does not move. And if your pocket is a little deeper, you just pull more of the pocket square holder out of the pocket square to take up the difference in depth. So here we go. Let's see what we created. So we insert this into the jacket pocket. All right, again, let it rest along the inside bottom of the pocket. Let this go. Make sure it's nice and straight. And there you have it. That is called the Spartan fold, only made possible by the best pocket square holder. Now keep in mind, guys, we didn't leave out our guys that need slimmer fit suits, because we also created a slim version as well. That is called the best pocket square holder slim edition. Look for the gold label. So there you have it. The Spartan fold, made possible by the best pocket square holder.